Hello guys. This is part 3. I mean 4. Yeah, 4. This is part 4 of styrofoam ball foam slime. Yeah, comment down below if you guys like this video. Check the description down below. Subscribe and get this video to 10,000 likes. Yay, let's get started. First thing you're going to be needing is styrofoam beads, of course that, glitter glue, and slime activator, stirring thing, and something to put your slime on and mix with. Also, something to put your slime in, which is another step, which is I can't find the thing to put it in. Anyways, let's get on to this video. Also, I'm going to be using blue coloring with this glitter glue. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first you want to do is add your glitter glue in. Okay. I'll just shake it. For some reason it's not working. We're gonna have to use this one then. It's not working either, okay. No, it's not working. Okay guys, that glue isn't working, so I'm gonna do a video. Like, Mom, I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. Just let it flow down. This is gonna take a while. It's still going. Do I see it? It's still going. Oh, God, it's still going. That's taking forever. It's still going out the tube. It's not falling out. Okay, it's going out. I should just let it. Okay, it's coming out. It's gonna be little slime. Wait, it's falling, yay! Okay. I might just leave it like this, guys, so. Okay. Wow, we have it. Okay. There's still more. Wow, okay. Time to add our food coloring in. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay. There's some stuff on it. Keep baby wipes in handy. Okay. I have to hold it like this. Okay. Let's add our food coloring in. I don't know why, but I don't want it. It's going to be basically glitter slime kind of, but with foam beads in it. Wipe that off because that's glue. Okay, now we're going to mix. This is a really good blue. I don't think it's purple. It looks kind of purplish, but I don't think so. Okay guys, this is great, because the other one's purple. This is blue. Okay. Time to put our styrofoam beads in. To do your styrofoam beads, I'm basically adding this. I'm just basically kind of gonna pour it in. So I'm gonna pour like a little. That should be enough. I'm gonna close this up because I want mine to be really fine. Comment down below if you guys first make your slime and then put the fire removal beads in. I actually make the slime, but don't make it. When I'm making it, I put the slime removal beads in, so it makes it more like, you know what I mean, like, so it sticks in there. That's what I'm trying to say. There's a lot in here, so. Why I'm doing this way, because, what's it called? I'm doing the cup because I don't want to put my hand in it. It's like, it's weird, because when you put your hand in it, it feels like you're losing them, and which is you probably are. It just feels weird, and I don't like doing it that no more, so. Guys, it might look like it's slime, but do not trust what your eyes think. Because it does look like slime. I have to hurry up, guys, because I have like a time limit for my videos. So that's why I'm like in a rush. Okay, because like it doesn't like, it gives me a time limit. I don't know how to fix that. Also comment down below how you fix the time limit thing, because I really have to know. Even though I can look at videos, but I want you guys to tell me, because yeah, you guys are my fans. If you guys are my fans, just tell me, because yeah. Oh guys, this is really not my thing I wanted it to turn in, but okay. It's going good. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more. Okay. Wow, guys. Here is my slime. Guys, this is my slime. So, guys, comment down below if you guys like this slime. Bye!